Hello all, this side Dr. AMOL KASTURE. Today I am here for the Global Edu-conclave 2025 as a keynote speaker, and today's theme is for the interdisciplinary research for sustainable future. So it's my privilege to stand before you today at a Global Edu-conclave 2025 to discuss a theme that is not just a relevant but imperative for our survival. That is a interdisciplinary research for a sustainable future. So want to say that we live in an area of complex global challenges which like in climate change, resource depletion, social inequity, and technological disruptions. No single discipline can solve these problems alone. The future demand collaboration across sciences, humanities, engineering, policy, and beyond. So, create a holistic solution. So, today I'm going to explore the points like why interdisciplinary research is the key to sustainability, success stories of cross disciplinary innovation, how academia, industry, and policymaker can foster such collaboration. So, definitely we'll focus on these issues. I'll talk more on to these things. So, let me talk on the first issue that why the interdisciplinary research. So, it consists of parameters like complexity of sustainability challenges, like climate changes isn't just an environmental issue. It's intersects with economics, green finance, social justice, climate migrants, and technology. That is in carbon capture, I can say. So the UN Sustainable Development Goals (SDG) are inherently interdisciplinary. That is SDG 7 clean energy says that, and it require a advancement in engineering, behavioral science, and policy. There is another parameter for this entrepreneurial research are breaking silos. So I can say that traditional research often operates in isolated domains. Example for this, a sustainable city project needs urban planners, data scientists, ecologists, and sociologists. If I'm talking about the specific case study on this parameter, so in the Netherlands, a circular economy model combines industrial design, waste management, and consumer psychology to achieve a near zero waste. There is another parameter like which is called as the innovations at the intersection, which is responsible for why interdisciplinary in the research. So I can say that biomimicry, biology, and engaging has led to energy efficient design inspires by nature. Then there are a number of artificial intelligence for sustainability, machine learning, then computer science. I can say optimize renewable energy grids in terms of the environmental science, right? So these are the three parameters. Why? Because of that interdisciplinary research are there. Then let me talk about the certain success stories. I can say like the Green Revolution 2.0. So it's one of the biggest revolution which happened in the agri-tech innovations like precision farming, like an IoT plus agriculture plus data analytics, which reduce water use while increasing the yields. Second is an renewable energy breakthroughs, like an MIT collaboration with economics and material scientists lead to cheaper solar panels, making renewable accessible globally. Then we have the social sustainability issues in terms of some success stories. So projects like smart villages in India integrates renewable energy, that is engineering, a digital literacy, education, and local governance, political science. Then we had global platforms like initiatives like Future Earth, Unite Natural, Social Scientists to address sustainability through a shared knowledge. So these are the certain success stories in terms of the interdisciplinary research. Then the way forward collaboration models are there. So like I want to talk what is the role of academics, what is the industry partnership, policy bridges, and citizen sciences. So let me talk about the academia roles. So universities must redesign curriculum. Like in Stanford is a sustainability science program, blends law, engineering and ethics. So like that, every university has to take initiative into that one. Like they are going to encourage to the students a student-led hackathon, which is going to promote to the SDG with their diverse streams. Then of course from the industry point of view, we have the industry partnerships like corporate R&D should fund interdisciplinary labs. Example, Google AI for social good collaborate with different kind of the NGOs and all. Then we have the policy bridges. I can say government must create platforms like the you can say EU Horizon projects, then where grants prioritize cross disciplinary consortia. Then we have the one of the parameters like in citizen science is a very important point. So it involves the communities in a data collection. For example, urban air quality app combining health science and cross or you can say crowdsourcing. So these are the things for the way forward in terms of the collaboration needed from the academia point of view, industry point of view, then I can say policy bridges, then citizen science and etc. So want to say as a conclusion of on this point is like that, ladies and gentlemen, the message is clear. What is the message? Message says that sustainability is a team sport, and we can conclude. I urge each of you that please collaborate beyond comfort zones as well as champion interdisciplinary grants as well as the projects. So these are the certain things which you need to focus on the point. Then I can talk specifically one of the things like a mentor in the next generation to think beyond the boundaries, right? So let's reimagine research not as a isolated threads but as a one tapestry of a knowledge. So where a biologist insight, an engineer's tool and an economist model combine to light the path to sustainable future. So as the African proverb says that, there is one sentence said by him. What is that? If you want to go far, go alone. If you want to go far, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. So let's go far and together. So this is one of the keynote message I would like to convey with all of you. Once you say the adapt with a local example, like I want to say India's national education policy 2020 emphasize interdisciplinary learning. That is one of the biggest thing in terms of the interdisciplinary research and to resonate with audience. So these are the things like which will be more valuable for the interdisciplinary kind of the research and all. So want to say thank you so much for actively listening the my keynote message in the event as a global Edu-conclave 2025, which was organized by the Green Thinkers India's I2OR and on the theme interdisciplinary research for sustainable future. I hope that the message is really going to helpful to you people to in terms of the interdisciplinary research, their sustainability point of view. Want to say thank you from bottom of my heart for the Green Thinkers for organizing such global Edu conclave 2025. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.